Josie, and today we are here with Melissa and Sarah with the 10 Shop Coffee House. Hi, how are you two today?
Good, how are you?
Can you tell us a little bit about your business?
So we are a small family-owned coffee shop in historic Zoar, Ohio. Basically wanted to get a coffee shop in Zoar.
And what made you open the coffee shop?
Well, I wanted a place where a coffee shop or sort of a cafe that I would like to go to. A place that, all through college I would always look for places that I could sit down, get some work done, or meet up with friends. And I just felt like this area was sort of lacking a place that sort of felt that fit that cozy coffee shop vibe.
Now I had been baking for the bakery in Zoar. They would buy my baked goods and sell them for 5 or 6 years, I guess. And they always sold well here. And there was really not, a lot of places in town for people to stop and get something to eat. This is a little bit more casual than anything else that's around here, where if you just wanted to go and sit down and have a drink and just take a break in the middle of your touring of Zoar, you could.
And you have a great room here for events. If anyone did want to have a meeting.
We've had people have showers. We have
The Rotary.
And the Rotary meets here all the time. We've had several companies that would have meetings here. Even down to we have local college students who will just come during breaks and sit and do homework and have coffee here. The room is used. A lot of people will use it for moms will get together and they don't want their kids to be running around the place. This is a place where they can go and close the door and kind of
contain the madness.
Not that we mind kids running around, but I think just gives people peace of mind that they can close that door and they don't have to worry about where the kids go on,
That's a great idea. A mom's
coffee
break.
We do on Wednesdays. We do have at 9:30 we have a mom's group that comes together and we kind of push the tables back and we have a play area and some toys we get out and like I said, we close the door and just kind of let them have a good time here.
Okay. Well, what do you think people love most about coming to the coffee shop, especially during the day? It makes it's very convenient.
I think a lot of people drive through here on their way to work, or a lot of people seem to work around here. But besides that, we do our best to recognize our customers and get to know them, sort of memorize their orders. So when they come in, they sort of know that they're going to be someone there to say hi to them, someone who knows exactly how they kind of want their drink to be done. They're going to get taken care of. They don't have to feel like fully rushed. They can ask questions. Chill.
Although what she says though, there are people who are just coming in really quickly. We have parking right there. They can come in. We have our regulars, and pretty much all of our baristas know our regulars and know what they want.
As soon as they walk in the door, I can start whipping up their drink, and if they need to go, then we can get them off.
What do you offer? Do you have a breakfast menu or a lunch menu, or what?
Well, right now we have a case we usually fill with scones and different kind of breakfast pastries, and then we have a lunch menu. And but here in the spring, when Zoar's opening up more, we're going to revamp our menu and probably going to have a brunch menu, like a made-to-order brunch menu and a made-to-order lunch menu. Kind of expand a little bit more. So last year was our first season, and we had some food, but it was just kind of what we could come up with quickly. And our new menus will be more thought out and have more variety and more interesting recipes and stuff.
Mainly soup, salad, sandwich place, and of course we're going to do all our stuff like we always do from scratch. No artificial ingredients or preservatives at all. Yes, with homemade bread. Of course, this one.
Homemade bread is always
and it gives us the flexibility to offer different types of bread for different sandwiches too. The fact that I just make it in house, we can kind of like tailor make the bread that we want for each sandwich to get the desired texture and taste with the sandwiches.
Now, are you from the area, or have you always lived in the bottom?
We moved from the Pittsburgh area, but that was about 18 years ago, so it's been a while. We've been here for a while. She doesn't remember living in Pittsburgh too much. She's
not here.
Yeah.
I'm mostly from here. Yeah, I'm from here.
So, and it's very, as far as the area, it's small, which is always nice. Everyone knows everyone in Zoar. So
yeah, it's a nice community to walk around in. We have a lot of them. People will come in to bike or come in to just walk around. We're right across from the garden, which is kind of down now, but in the summer it's just gorgeous. And a lot of people will come and they'll sit in front of the windows and be able to look at the garden and stuff while having their coffee and reading something or whatever. Just like I said, you can be really low key. You can just kind of hang out here. Or we try to accommodate people who are on their way to work and just want to get a coffee and go.
You try to feel people's vibes out.
Yes. So if someone's riding bikes through the area or just walking around, they're doing a tour. They could always come to breakfast here or to lunch before and after.
Yeah, or just like a snack halfway through, because a lot of times they'll take you down like one side and then down the other, and this is kind of like you take a break in the middle of it and just get something quick to eat or something to drink.
And why do you think it's important for the area to shop local?
I think that people generally local businesses, they like to see people that they know succeed and have a familiarity. When they step into a room, a sense of sort of family and friendship and stuff. And I think if you want that, you gotta shop local in order to make a lot of those places up there.
And from the food standpoint, we have scones and breads and stuff that are just made in the other room, and there's not any kind of preservatives. We don't have to have it shipped in. They're not made in a factory somewhere and then just shipped to locations. Everything is mixed and made and baked and displayed here.
Handmade and freshly mixed here.
Yes, you can often get things if you come in
the same day.
Yeah, but sometimes if you come in early in the morning, you can get it still hot. It'll still be hot when we put it in the case.
Well, is there anything else that you want to tell people about? Is there any events that are coming up or anything special that you're running? Any deals?
Well, every Monday we have $1 drip coffee. Any size coffee is just going to be $1. Tuesdays we have 2 for the price of 1 pizza slices, or pizza butter slice. And Wednesdays we have our mom group at 9:30. So moms can meet up, talk to other adults for a little while their kids have something to do.
We just kind of rotate that by season, and it depends on what kind of customers we're getting. We're running those specials through the end of March, but as summer comes up, we'll be having more different events. We're talking about coming around having maybe some baking classes or some teas, like a mother-daughter tea or something like that. Yeah, as the spring and summer come around,